Hello, my friends. Ellen here. Hope all you're doing well. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. It's rodeo time, my friends. Oh, I can't believe it's here. The horses, the trail riders, the carnival, and the best part, the yummy fried foods. And I've got a treat for y'all. Today, I'm going to share with all of y'all an ice cream recipe, but with a twist. How does fried ice cream sound? That's right, sugar. Fried ice cream. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious. And we're going to coat it in a sweet and crispy cereal coating. And we're going to fry it to golden perfection. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this. And perfect for carnival and rodeo season. Also for the spring and summer months coming up. Y'all be in heaven once you taste this fried ice cream. It is next level good. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And for more fried goodies, check out my fried deviled eggs, funnel cake, fried Oreos, and fried pickles recipe. And my previous video, maraschino cherry cake. I'll post the link to all of those down below in the description box. So grab your cereal, your ice cream, and get your oil heating up, sugar, because we're about to fry some ice cream magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go. All right, my friends, over here I have my vanilla ice cream. It's nice and cold. I'm using 1 quart. We're going to use my large ice cream scoop. Going to take a big scoop like so. And you can make as many balls as you like. I'm going to make 4. And you want to work quickly because ice cream melts. And we're going to place it on the 9 by 13 inch cookie sheet that I lined with wax paper. All right, I'm going to go ahead and finish with the rest of my ice cream balls, and I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I got all my ice cream balls together. So now we're going to place them in the freezer for 1 hour so they can get firm and set. And while our ice cream balls set up, let's go ahead and make our dredging station. Over here, I have 2 cups of frosted flakes cereal. And we're going to pour it into my Ziploc bag. So we're going to use my rolling pin and we're going to crush them up into crumbs. You don't want them too fine. Alrighty, so now we're going to pour our crushed Frosted Flakes cereal into my round pan. And over here in my other pan, I have 2 extra large eggs. And to give my crushed cereal a little extra flavor, we're going to add in a ½ teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And into my eggs, I'm going to add in a ½ teaspoon of pure vanilla extract for a little more flavor. Going to stir my cereal until it's well blended. And I'm going to scramble my eggs until they're well combined. And our ice cream balls are nice and firm. I'm going to go ahead and take them out the freezer. All right, my friends, we are ready to coat our ice cream balls. First, we're going to coat them in the crushed cereal. Then dip it in the egg mixture. Going to use 1 hand for the wet and 1 hand for the dry. So that way we don't get any clumps in our coating. And then back into the crushed cereal. Just like that. Isn't that a beautiful coating? And like I said, you want to work quickly because the ice cream will melt. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish coating the rest of my ice cream balls and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I'm through coating my balls. So now I place them onto my round pan lined with wax paper. We're going to place them back in the freezer and we're going to let them set for 2 hours. Alrighty, my friends, our ice cream balls is nice and set. Perfect. So now I'm about to heat up some oil and we are ready to fry these babies. I have a large pot of canola oil heating up, and I got it to 375 degrees. We're going to add 1 ice cream ball at a time and place the rest in the freezer until we're ready to fry them. And gently place the ice cream into the hot oil. And they don't take long to fry. We're going to let it fry for 20 seconds. And then I'll fry the rest of my ice cream balls and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I'm through frying my ice cream. Look how nice and golden brown that is. And it smells amazing. And you want to serve this immediately. And there's a few more things we got to add to it. A drizzling of chocolate syrup. A dollop of whipped cream. And a cherry on top. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it my friends. Fried ice cream. Doesn't that look good? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. Crispy on the outside and creamy on the inside. The ice cream is super firm. And I love that crunch from the cereal coating. This fried ice cream is phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This screams the carnival. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Fried ice cream licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and happy rodeo!